Hey there, welcome back to Creative School. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I will create this title animation in PowerPoint. In the previous tutorial, I have shown you how to create this animation in PowerPoint. So, let's start this tutorial. At first, we have to take a blank slide. Layout, blank. After that, we need to take a text. So, go to Insert, Word Art, and take a text. I'm writing here Creative School. You can write whatever you want. Then select this text box and change its font. I'm selecting Character 1. Then we need to take a rectangle shape. Again go to Insert, Shape, and select this rectangle shape. Drag it over the text. Match the size with the text and set its outline color as no color, shape fill color as black. After doing that, we need to apply the line animation on this rectangle shape. So, go to Animations, Add Animations, and select this line animation. We need to apply the lines animation on this rectangle shape 4 times. So, go to Add Animations again and select Line Animations. I'm doing it fast forwardly. Okay, done. After that, select this first animation and drag its endpoint right here. Set its position exactly left side of the rectangle shape. Next, we need to select this second animation and drag its endpoint to the right side of the rectangle shape. Set its position exactly in the right side. After doing that, select this third animation and drag its endpoint exactly over the first animation. And lastly, select the fourth animation. Drag its endpoint exactly over the second animation. After doing this, we need to apply the animation on the existing text. So, we need to hide this rectangle shape. For this, we need to go home and open selection pane. Hide this rectangle shape and select this text. We need to apply the appear animation on this text. So, go to Animation, Add Animation, and select Appear. We need to apply the disappear animation too. So, go to Add Animation again and apply disappear animation. After doing that, we can unhide the rectangle shape. Then select all of the animation by pressing Ctrl+A and select Start with Previous. Select all of this line animation by press and hold the Shift key and set their duration 0.25 seconds. After doing that, drag the appear animation between the first 2 animations and drag the disappear animation between the last 2 animations. Now we need to select second and third animation and increase its delay 0.25 seconds. Then select these last 3 animations and increase their delay 1.00 seconds. After that, select the last 2 animations and set their delay 1.25 seconds. Let's see the animation how looks like. Okay, I forgot to change the direction of lines animation. Select the first animation and go to Effect option and select Reverse Path Direction. Do it for this line animation too. Go to Effect option and select Reverse Path Direction. Let's play again to see the animation how looks like. Perfect. Now we need to take a rectangle shape. So go to Insert, Shape, and take this rectangle shape. Drag this exactly left side of the rectangle shape. Then set its outline color as no color and shape fill color as white. Then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D and drag it to the right side of this rectangle shape. Let's play again. It's too fast, so we need to increase the delay of ending animation. Select these 3 animation and increase their delay. Set their delay 1.50 seconds. Then select these 2 animation and set their delay 1.75 seconds. Let's play again. Perfect. Now we will see how to apply this animation on a video. So we need to take a new slide and insert a video. Go to insert, video, this device, and I am selecting this video. After doing that, go to the first slide and press Ctrl+A to select all of the element. Then press Ctrl+C to copy the animation. Come back to the second slide again and press Ctrl+V to paste the elements. We need to apply the play animation on this video. So select this animation and go to animation. Then select play. It will be a start with previous. Let's see the animation how looks like. We need to change the color of rectangle shape and the text. So go to shape format, shape fill and select white. Then go to home, open selection pane, select this text and change text fill color as white. Close the selection pane and let's play the animation. Perfect. Now we need to duplicate this video. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate this video and drag it exactly over the previous video. After doing this, we need to crop this video. So go to video format and select crop. Drag this corner right here and this corner right here. We need to duplicate this video again. Then drag this video exactly over the previous one and crop it again. Go to video format, drag this corner right here and drag this corner right here. Okay, let's play the animation to see the animation how looks like. We need to change the starting time of this 3 video. So go to animation, select this 3 video and select start with previous. Change their delay 0.00 seconds. Let's play the animation to see the animation how looks like. We need to crop this video little bit more in the right side. Okay, done. Let's play the animation. Perfect. Hope you enjoyed this video. You will get the download link of this template in the description box. Subscribe our channel to get our latest video at first. Thanks for watching.